Hey Java developers, the AI era is here, and today we are going to explore how Java is stepping into the world of artificial intelligence and machine learning. By the end of this video, you'll see Java from a completely new perspective. Now let's start the most important question. Why does Java still matter in AI? People often say AI belongs only to Python, but that's not the full picture. Java's JVM optimization, high performance, and massive scalability make it perfect for enterprise AI systems. Large companies trust Java because it's stable, secure, and built for production level machine learning. Now that we know Java's strength, let's look at the tools that make AI possible in Java. Deep Learning 4J is one of the most powerful deep learning libraries in the Java ecosystem. You can build CNNs, RNNs, LSTMs just like you do in TensorFlow. And the best part is DL4J supports GPU acceleration and making model training incredibly fast. DL4J is great, but Oracle also has something powerful. Let's see Tribio. Tribio is Oracle's modern machine learning framework. It's simple, clean, and perfect for beginners as well as professionals. It supports classification, regression, clustering, and makes deploying models extremely easy. Let's move forward. Here's another lightweight but powerful machine learning library, Smile. Smile is lightweight and super fast ML engine for Java. It combines statistical models with modern machine learning algorithms, making it deal for production applications. If you want performance without complexity, Smile is a great choice. Okay, that's enough theory. Let me quickly show you how simple the code looks. Now this small code shows the basic workflow of Tribio. You train a model, make a prediction and print the result. It's simple, readable and production friendly, which is exactly the kind of setup used in real world Java ML systems. So that's the code. Now let's understand where Java AI is actually used in the real world. AI with Java isn't just theory. It's used in fraud detection systems, recommendation engines, real-time analytics pipelines, and enterprise microservices. Java's reliability and speed make it a natural fit for large-scale AI deployments. Now, once you know the real-world applications, the obvious question is, what does the future look like? In the future, it won't be Python versus Java. Python will dominate research, but Java will dominate deployment. With innovations like GraalVM, Java is becoming faster, more flexible, and more AI ready than ever before. The future is clear. Java will be the backbone of large-scale AI systems. So that's all about today's video. If you want more deep insights into Java, AI and modern backend development, make sure to subscribe to Drill Coding. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep coding.